Hey, what's up everyone? Today in this video I'm going to show you complete UI comparison between One UI 8.5 and iOS 26.4. So let's begin. Okay, first let me show you lock screen. Look at this. This is lock screen. And now let me show you lock screen customization between One UI 8.5 and iOS 26.4. Look at this, One UI 8.5, this is lock screen clocks. Adaptive clock, and in iOS 26.4 have depth clock with frosted glass effect. Look at this. And this is font. You also set solid clock on iOS 26. Look at this clock style available in One UI 8.5. This is font and color. Now look at this home screen in both devices. Now let me show you home screen options. Look at this in both devices. Now let me show you one by one. First, widgets. You need wallpaper. Look at this wallpaper and style in One UI 8.5 and this is iOS 26.4. Now let me show you dark icons in both devices. This is dark icons in iOS 26.4 and this is One UI 8.5 dark icons. Actually this is 3D dark icons after One UI 8.5 update. Now this is edit page in both devices. Look at this. Now control center. Guys, after One UI 8.5 update in Samsung, you set vertical and horizontal toggles in control center. And if you edit control center in iOS 26.4. Look at this. But guys, you can't set horizontal brightness and volume toggles in iOS 26.4. But in 1.8.5, look at this. You set vertical and horizontal toggles in control center. Look at this setting UI in both devices. In last, guys, let me show you animations. So guys, this is complete UI comparison between 1.8.5 and iOS 26.4. I hope guys you enjoyed this video. If you have enjoyed this video, then like, share and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching guys. See you in the next video. Bye bye.